A very good evening. Welcome to BCN News. A total of $14,280,000 is the estimated value of total direct economic impact on Niue's economy by visitors, according to a recent survey. According to a Niue visitor survey for the months of April to September 2019 carried out by the Auckland University of Technology, there are an estimated 10,000 number of visitors annually and $1,428 spent per visit, which totals $14,280,000. It states that each visitor spends on average a total of 111 New Zealand dollars per day while in Niue. The survey highlighted that the most appealing aspects for visitors were the environment and cleanliness, activities and attractions, and the friendliness of the local people. The least appealing aspects of Niue are the public services, facilities, and infrastructure, particularly the poor road conditions, lack of public transport, and slow internet connection. Food and beverages were also highlighted as the least appealing aspect, as most visitors surveyed stated they would like to see more local food and local cuisines offered on the menu. Majority of visitors stated that they heard about Niue through family and friends. The legal case by landowners and the government's project leader of the Leolau accommodation facility, which was scheduled to be heard in the High Court on Tuesday this week, has been adjourned. BCN News has been reliably informed that Judge Wilson Isaac recused himself from the case due to a conflict of interest with one of the applicants. The applicant's representative and the government lawyers have agreed to meet with the steering committee of the project. It is understood that the applicants have indicated they wish to reach a resolution to this matter before the opening of the facility. Last week, the Premier, Sir Toke Talangi, told BCN News that the Leolau facility, located at the old school grounds in Avasele, is expected to be officially open in January next year. Member of Parliament Terry Ko's civil case against the Speaker of the Fono Eke Pule was not heard in court today. The case was due to be heard before Judge Wilson Isaac today, but BCN News has been informed that the Chief Justice Coxhead will now consider the application in chambers and will issue his decision in due course. Opposition member and veteran politician Terry Ko made an application to the High Court in June this year because he said the Speaker of the Fono Eke Pule, Honourable Tongiavalu Pihingia, was restricting his questions and motions, which he claims restricted him from doing his job as an elected representative of the people. The ship transporting the Manatua cable for Niue's installation is scheduled to arrive on Monday, 2nd December. According to a notice from the Maritime Department, all vessels are requested to keep at least 1 nautical mile away from the cable ship reliance, including fishing gear, to ensure safe operations and avoid possible damage to the cable, fishing gear, and vessels. Cable installation will be limiting both vessel operational speeds and vessel maneuverability. At various times during the operation, there will be a yellow cable marker buoy with a flashing white light. Please ensure to maintain your distance away from this marker buoy. During shore landing operations, no vessel is to pass between the cable ship reliance and the shoreline. The cable laying operation is expected to be completed on 9th December 2019. And finally, the National Council of Women showcased their newly attained block painting talents and creativity yesterday at their headquarters, Makini Hall. President of the Council, Nongi Poumale, welcomed the invited guests, which included the Minister of Women's, Honourable Billy Talangi, officially opened by the Minister of Women's, Honourable Billy Talangi, who congratulated the women for their hard work and dedication. The National Council of Women showcased their creation in 3 rooms. One room featured the hand-woven crafts like hats, bags, mats, and many more. The second room was filled with the traditional bedding sheets in multitude of colors, and the big room was filled with the new designed block-printed bed sheets. And that's BCN News for tonight. Thank you for joining us. Do join us same time next Monday. Until then, you have a safe weekend.